Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to my channel. It is Monday morning and I'm driving to the gym. I'm starting the vlog in the car because basically this week I probably won't be vlogging at home in the mornings because Corpu, like I mentioned at the end of, or nearer to the end of last week's vlog, Corpu has a week off of work. He's taking a break from his job and he's got a new game to play as well, so it's just like he's just got annual leave basically. So I am on my way to the gym. I'm drinking my pre-workout, which I haven't actually talked to you guys about. I got it from the sale at Explosive a while ago. I really like it. The reason why it was so discounted is because it was so clumpy. The supplement was super clumpy. It is quite a strong supplement, I will say that. Like some days, I don't know if it's to do with how much I had for dinner or maybe because it's so clumpy I have like a big clump of product. I don't know what it is, but some days it's like very strong. But that being said, it really does make me sweat because it's a thermogenic and it gives me a lot of energy. So yeah, I do really like it. I just wanted to tell you guys that today was the first day that I actually have worked out my sports bra. Like I've taken photos at the gym in my sports bra, but usually I just like whip my top off and then just like take a photo and then put it back on. And normally I would just suffer in silence and like be nearly passing out from heat exhaustion. But today I actually just took it off and I just wore my sports bra, and guess what? Nobody cares, because literally nobody cares what you do at the gym. Long story short, yesterday we went out for all you can eat curry at Paradise, which is our favorite curry place, because Hazel, my flatmate, is having a break from keto. She's just having like a 2-day break just to have not to reintroduce carbs, but just to kind of like make sure she's not getting gluten intolerant and just give her body a break from being in ketosis. So we thought, what better place to go than like the place with the best freaking naan breads in the world. So anyway, went to curry. I am gonna estimate that I ate minimum 1,500 calories worth of curry, probably closer to 2,000 if I'm being honest. I didn't actually have that much curry, I just had a lot of naan, and I felt painfully full when I got home. I had about 1 serving of Haagen-Dazs for dessert as well, and I was painfully full. And I weighed since Saturday, because Saturday was the last time that I weighed myself, I was 1.7 kilos up pretty much just from that curry alone. And then this morning I'm down 1 kilo from last night, so it just shows how amazing the body can bounce back after a cheat meal. Hey guys, I'm currently lying on my lotus mat. I'm on it at a really weird angle because I just did a photo shoot with Hazel. That's Corpu playing Red Dead, but yeah, it feels great but also extremely painful. Absolute f***ery. Just spilled my drink in my cup holder, which is great. So my cup holder is now swimming, but good morning. So just had another really great workout. I will pop some footage in while I'm talking of me wearing this little outfit that I've got on. I wanted to show you it when I get inside so you can see what it looks like on. It's really cute. I love the sports bra, like the detailing on it. I'm like tempted to buy another one, but like I don't need it. Hey guys, it is Thursday and I got home from work about 10 minutes ago. Yes, my armpits are hairy. No, I'm not pulling a Miley Cyrus. I just didn't want to shave them. So my tan, let me just show you guys. My tan has worn so well. I don't know how well you guys can see. Overall, like, I'm pretty impressed. Tomorrow I'm getting re-tanned, hence why my armpits are hairy. I would say now I'm still tan, like I'm definitely still tanned, but you can see like it's starting to go a little bit patchy. Hey guys, it's Friday and it's a really sunny day again, as you guys can see by this ridiculous lighting. Again, I apologize, there's nothing that I can do. It's just like driving past trees and houses and stuff that like blocks the light. Like I said, it's Friday. Haven't got anything particularly exciting planned today. Corpu was going to come in to see my kids, but I don't know if that's happening anymore. But yeah, I'm getting another spray tan tonight, I think, because I've still got some like tan on, and I don't know if she can spray tan me if I've still got tan on, if that makes sense. So I'll have to ask her. It's International Sub Day, so we go buy one get one free on subs, and I'm watching Corpu stream, and I'm tanned. Very tanned. Hey guys, it is Saturday and it's actually like 1 o'clock. Corpu and I pretty much laid in bed till like 11:30, having a real lazy Saturday. As you guys can see, I'm really tanned. I feel like it looks orange in this lighting, but in real life it's actually not orange. It's a really nice color. By the way, the chick that does my tans, I'll leave her Instagram down below, but she's Little Tans NZ. I'll leave a link down below if you guys want to hit her up. She is really affordable. I don't know if it's just a special or if it's like permanent, but either way you need to like get on that if you guys want a tan. She's based in the North Shore, but she does travel, which is what she did for me, which is freaking awesome. And yeah, I highly recommend it. Really good quality product, and like my tan looks perfectly fine. The only thing is like right in there, which I think is my own doing, because I had Subway for dinner, so I was like holding a sub. So I got this cute little package from Lush. It's for Halloween. Oh, it's actually going to heavy. Just throw packing peanuts. The Bewitched. My brother's doing the dishwasher. I just told him to silence himself. This is the set here. So I've got like a happy Sunday, by the way. I did my nails yesterday. This is Pajama Party by Madam Glam. And then I've got my most amazing ciabatta, bacon, eggs, 2 eggs, and halloumi. Well, you guys, another week, another vlog finished. I can't believe it's already nearly Monday. It's like Sunday. Ow, I just punched myself in the head. It's Sunday evening, and I thought I'd just come on to really quickly finish off the vlog. I feel like this week I have not vlogged very much, so I apologize about that. Next week I'm kind of switching up my eating and stuff like that, so I'll talk to you about that next week. Yeah, I don't really have much else to say. I've had a really bad headache all day today because I've had a really shoddy diet the past couple of days. I've had heaps of sugar and it's like giving me a headache. It's finally gone away this evening, but I still don't feel great. But yeah, I've just been like lying in bed and just doing nothing all day pretty much, because it was either do nothing today and hopefully feel better, or like push myself and then feel like crap tomorrow. So hopefully I'll be alright for tomorrow. If you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. I am really excited to do some more filming and stuff like that because I didn't do any this weekend. If you haven't seen my Gymshark haul, I'll leave it linked off down below as well. By the way, speaking of Gymshark, I bought these years ago and I never used to like them. They're the flex leggings. I don't know if they've changed since I bought mine because mine are like 2 years old, but these are what they look like on. So they've got like contouring around the butt. See, the reason why I didn't like them is because they fit really low-waisted, and when I was bigger they were really unflattering. I mean, they're not flattering now, but they look a lot better than they used to. So these are in a size small, but I do like the way they make my butt look. It's quite flattering and they feel really soft. But I don't know if you guys can see. I don't know how I got holes, but there's holes in the crotch gusset, so that's ideal. And they're also super long. Like, this is them folded up 2 times. I don't know if you guys can see how long they are, but I was gonna buy some more and I was like, well, I better see if I like these, and I really do. But I'll probably just wear these ones because I have enough Gymshark for the minute. But anyway, I am actually gonna go now, so thank you guys so much. I hope you all have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys soon with another video.